Hi, this is Xiurong Sang. I watched a professional development by Kansas ESL educators Mary Casey and Joanna Schindel. The title is Relevant, Meaningful, Interactive, Effective Vocabulary Instructions for English Learners. It is about a research-based approach to vocabulary instruction for English learners, along with specific examples of activities to make interaction with new vocabulary accessible and meaningful. The first part is presented by Ms. Schindel. The research identified and found two types of language vocabulary. First one is BICS, basic interpersonal communication skills. It is basic conversational vocabulary and language. Second one is CALP, cognitive academic language proficiency. For BICS, it takes average 3 years to reach proficiency for language learners, but for CALP, it takes average 7 years to reach proficiency. In terms of vocabulary, BICS is made up mostly of Tier 1 words, while CALP is mostly made up of Tier 2 and 3 words. Mastery the meaning and use of Tier 2 and 3 words is so challenging and also time-consuming. There are 3 phases of teaching and learning new vocabulary: activation, connection, and affirmation. Ms. Casey talked about teaching vocabulary in text. First, selecting vocabulary to teach. ESL teachers focus mostly on Tier 1 words. Mainstream classroom teachers focus so much on Tier 2 and 3 words. Tier 2 words are often left out of vocabulary instruction. Our English learners need more time to learn Tier 2 words. The students would have much greater opportunity of success and engage academic text. She suggests just select 5 to 6 words to pre-teach from the text of any tiers. The ESOL teachers should mostly focus on Tier 2 words. Second, imply 7 steps protocol for pre-teaching vocabulary. Third, teaching vocabulary through talking and writing about text. It is important that teaching vocabulary just doesn't stop at pre-teaching phase. Students need to be able to continue to learn these words and review these words as they read the test, they write it, they talk about it. I learned a lot from this professional development. How to teach vocabulary, especially how to teach Tier 2 words. I actually use these strategies in my teaching, such as having students exposed to new words, connecting new words to students' prior knowledge, and interacting with new words in a variety of meaningful ways.